What's up, guys? Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Today we're gonna work on the Ford Fusion. Just bought close to about $1,000 in parts, and I still got to get a hood, front bumper, and the passenger fender. So getting there slowly but surely. I should be having everything pretty soon. So in today's video we're gonna put the air box, air intake, maybe the core support. I do got to take apart the rest of the radiator, condenser, and oh yeah, and I gotta vacuum out the Freon from the AC, so I'm gonna do that also, and hopefully start putting some new parts on. All right, what we got is battery tray, battery hold down. This is all factory. I bought everything from the dealer. And radiator support, Ford. I did buy aftermarket electric fan assembly, condenser, radiator I'm getting tomorrow. I just checked the tracking. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put in the air intake, the box, which is gone, it's demolished from the accident, battery tray, battery just sliding around, and take apart the rest of the radiator, disconnect the hoses and everything, pull all that and see, and then install the radiator support and see if everything matches. If everything matches, I'm good to go. I don't have to pull anymore. All right. All right, let's do this. Saved all the parts. So, okay, I can throw this away. I don't need this. But I'm gonna have to repurpose this. On this one, it broke off of here, but I'll just epoxy it. It's nothing major. Yep, perfect. Yeah, my bag. See, left fender. Alright, it is getting late, so see if I can get this done before dinner is ready. Runs a lot better than before. Had the check engine light, so I'm gonna clear the codes. Well, they should be cleared since the battery's been disconnected, so I'm gonna start it up right now. What's up, guys? Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Another day here. We're gonna work on the Ford Fusion. We've got some more parts in, so we'll go over that right now. Okay. All right, I bought a combo front bumper and fender. Wasn't too bad. Had to save money somewhere. Like I said, I'm going half OEM, half aftermarket. So the bumper and fender is aftermarket. That fender's OEM. I'm probably gonna get the hood OEM. That's almost 600 bucks right there. So everybody wants too much for it. Way too much for a used hood. And if I find one at the junkyard, it's either crashed or it's already taken. So there's just no way I can get one. It's too hard. So I was able to save this, the fog light, side marker, fog bezel. I was able to save all that from the old bumper, so at least all I got to do on this side is buy the bezel, fog light, marker, and I'm good. And then obviously still need to get a windshield. That's 100 bucks, so that's not too bad. But what's killing me is that hood, but I'll probably buy it next week. Be complete. And oh yeah, I bought this grill used. I thought it came complete. It said complete. I know it wasn't in the picture. I wasn't expecting it, but I thought there's another chrome piece that goes on top of right there, and didn't come with it. So for the price that I got it for, I'm not complaining. So I still need to get that. That's about another 150 bucks OEM. So yeah, so basically all I need is that top chrome piece, hood, windshield, and I'll be legit. Go get it inspected and get it registered, get the rebuild title, and I'll be ready for sale soon. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know how this is gonna come out, but I'll try to put it together. I have no lighting, no nothing. I ain't no baller or nothing. I usually work in the light, but I work a full-time job. I'm just doing this you know, just have fun, take you on my journey. But all right, let's see how this comes out. All right, guys, that's gonna be it. She's looking pretty good. Pretty soon, all I need is the hood, one chrome piece on top of the grill, and a windshield. Should be good to go. So pretty soon. So I hope you liked the video. Like I said, sorry about the lighting. I'm gonna start getting some more equipment and stuff like that. So check you guys later. Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. There goes little Morgan. Cat and Morgan. She's a sweet little girl. Alright, guys, check it out. What's up, guys? We're in the Ford Fusion. I think I got all the kinks out, bled the coolant system and everything. Let's go take it for a drive. It was overheating, but seems to not be overheating right now. So let's take it for another spin and let's heck yeah, temperature went up just slightly, but it just went back down, so I think the thermostat just opened. Thing's got some pep. Oh, my dad's calling me. I'm gonna have to pause it in a little bit. Temperature is perfect. All right, guys.